Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, my dear friend Steph is here from Hong Kong and I've invited her for dinner. And what I'm going to prepare for her is Pollo alla Cacciatore. Delicious. Now let's get started. Pollo alla Cacciatore. This is what we will be preparing today. Set your stove to medium heat. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have 4 chicken thighs and 7 drumsticks. We're going to season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides before I dredge it in the flour. I raise the heat to high. My chicken has seared on all sides. Now I'm just going to remove them from the frying pan and set them aside for now. Wonderful drippings. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of pancetta, 1 large chopped shallot, 2 thinly chopped celery stalk, and 2 thinly chopped carrots. It's basically a sofrito. Not many Italian recipes start without a sofrito. I'm going to saute the vegetables until I see them getting soft. So add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook them for no more than 1 minute. As soon as it's fragrant, you know it's ready. We're going to deglaze the pan with a 3/4 cup of white wine. We're doing a wine reduction, and we're going to wait until the wine reduces to half. The wine has reduced to half. Now we're going to add the chicken back to the frying pan. 4 cups of passata, a cup of my favorite olives, Calabrese olives, 2 tablespoons of rinsed capers, 1/2 cup of fresh parsley. I set my heat on low. Now I'm going to cover it and simmer it for 50 minutes. My pollo alla cacciatore is done. We're going to season with salt and pepper. We're going to finish the recipe with a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. Stephanie is going to love this. I'm going to taste it for you. So good. Delicious. And we need some bread for dunking for sure. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. You really must try this incredible recipe. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao!